Look at this, Kiera. It's amazing. I see these big birds just in TV. This is the first time. Looks like a big pelican, but I'm not sure. I find out they come from South America and Antarctica, so they travel a long way to be here and going back. Look at them. It's amazing. Never saw so many birds in one place. And I don't know how long they're gonna stay here, but yeah. If you guys get a chance to come here, there's all this paradise birds to see it. And yeah, they're pretty big, strong birds. Look at the size of those. Yeah. We are close to the Golden Gate on the other side. Cars passing by behind me. They're screaming.